The 2021 fall AMC 10A. And so Mr. Lopez has a choice of two routes to get to work. Route A is 6 miles long and his average speed is 30 miles per hour. On the other hand, we have Route B, which is 5 miles long, and its average speed along this route is 40 miles per hour. Except, keyword is except, for a half-mile stretch in which his average speed is 20 miles per hour. How many minutes is Route B quicker than Route A? So we can solve this by taking the distance over rate, because we know distance equals rate times. So we know this distance equals rate times time. So we know the time is distance over rate. So our distance is 6 miles and our rate is 30 miles per hour to find the time, which is 1/5 of an hour because we have our units in hours, and 1/5 times 60 converting to minutes because we're asked the minutes is 12 minutes. So we know that this is Route A. It takes 12 minutes for Mr. Lopez to get to work using Route A. Now we need to calculate Route B. So Route B is 5 miles long, an exception of a half-mile stretch in a school zone where his average speed is 20 miles per hour. And we can basically use the same concept of time equals distance over rate to find the number of minutes Route B takes to get to work. So we know 4.5 miles he's going at 40 miles per hour. So we can find the time for that by just setting an equation. So 4.5 is 9/2 over 40. Distance over rate, and we add this because we want to find the total number of minutes for Route B to the 20-mile stretch, which is 1/2 over 20. And this is just Route B. And now basically we just have to solve. So we get, we want to find a common denominator here, so we multiply by 2/2. Sorry. So times 1 over 40. And this is just 11 over 2 over 40, which is just 11 over 80. So this is, so now we just multiply this by 60 to convert into minutes. And we get 66 over 8, which simplifies to 8 1/4 minutes. And we have to remember how many minutes is Route B quicker than Route A. So we want to find, we need to subtract. So 12 minus 8 1/4. This should be easy, just simple subtraction. We get 3 3/4 minutes. This is how fast Route B is quicker than Route A. Our final answer is B.